Now I'm hungry. Yeah, that's good with your upper body. Well done. To jump. Yeah, well done. That's okay. That's okay. And then soft, soft, soft. Good. Well done. She made that up well. Inside leg. Breathe. Soft back. Don't chase. Yes, well done. Well held. Good job. Breathe. Line. Yep. Soften your hand. Go. Nice. No. Big pat. Big pat. She's good. Just do this. Yeah. Yes, good, now soft. Oh, well done, one more.
You're chasing people.
It's quite funny.
Good girl. Do you think that was a bit of a challenge though?
Well, it's quite narrow, isn't it, as well? And like, we know what she thinks of those light poles as well. Yeah, good. Now just sit still. Good. Now soft and fold. Better. Yes. Yes, that's better. That was better, yeah? So you weren't doing as much. And then you just were softer and you just let her canter through, yeah? It's just, you know, it was nice. Good. Good, good, good.
Yeah, the two before I overchecked it.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. Yeah. And then she was like, whoa!
And that one, it was like, no go.
And then she was kind of like, right, then she was behind your leg again, yeah? So you just got to make... But you just use any... Okay, good, right. Let's try the right way. Okay, right. So yeah, so we'll right canter around a couple of times just to use our poles, get our rhythm. Remember that corner there, don't let her duck through. Get your inside leg on. Pushing her out. And set. And just drop your shoulder blades. Breathe. And so keep that leg underneath you. That's better. Yeah, try and get your inside shoulder back a little more. Just to get the, yeah, that's right, that's right. That's better. That's it. Woohoo. Well done. Now just check her a little bit, okay? Yeah, good. Good, good, good. That's okay, don't chase. Yeah, well done. Better, that's soft, soft, soft. Yeah. Soft as you're towards your fence. No. Inside shoulder back a little bit. It brings everything back a little bit, which means then your inside leg comes back a bit and then you can help push her out. and the back end, you almost need a bit more help in that leg, maybe just a fraction back a bit. It's going to help keep everything out a bit more and keep you like that. Because what happens a bit is she goes onto this outside bend and then you end up in this position because you're trying to keep her out with that rein. There, and your shoulder is here, you can't do this and you can't get this leg on. So you just almost want to feel like it's almost like a twisting movement with so your shoulders are just slightly to the right. And then that'll just bring your right leg on. But it's very difficult when they're falling in as heavily as she can do. Okay, let's do it one more time. And then I'm going to make that a jump. It's going to be exciting.